Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to connect scanner to laptop. Firstly, make sure you have the scanner, power cable, USB cable, installation CD or internet access. Plug in the power cable into the scanner and the power outlet. Some scanners may draw power from a USB cable or batteries, so check your device's specifications. Wired connections or wireless connection. Enable Bluetooth or Wi-Fi on the scanner, go to Windows Settings, Devices, Bluetooth and other devices, then add a new device, then follow the on-screen instructions to connect. Windows should detect the scanner and install basic drivers automatically. If you have an installation CD, insert it and follow the setup prompts. Open Windows Scan, place a document in the scanner and press Scan. If the scanner works, you're all set. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.